Hello YouTube family, welcome back. Please check back each month for the newest reveal. As mentioned in my January video, last November I purchased the Gift of Revel for 2021, which is a monthly subscription to receive either one classy color, one sassy color, or both. And of course, I chose both. All of my Gift of Revel video series will not show any of the colors until I open the package, just in case you want to be surprised with me each month. For the month of March, we have one classy cream orange and a sassy chunky goldish color. These colors are really lovely, though to be completely honest, could have been a little more suited towards the fall maybe. But I think the purpose was a spring meets Women's History Month. Either way, I did find the colors incredibly lovely. They matched my skin tone, and I was really happy with the product and the way it looked after I put it on my nails. There are still 9 more months to go this year, and I'm very excited for what these months will bring. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel and Instagram page, and don't forget to hit the notification button for new videos. Happy March and be safe out there.